Hello, my name is Sandeep and my registration number is UR15CS300. Today we are going to see fifth experiment in data structures, that is implementation of stack and queue using linked list. Yeah, uh, in stack there will be options like push, pop, and in queue there should be options like insertion, deletion, insertion from front, like insertion from rear, and using linked list we should implement this stack and queue. Now we will check out the program how it works. Yeah, this is my program. I'll zoom it up. Hash include IO stream. This is the header file, and then these are the functions which we are going to use in this program. I will use push and display, pop, insert. This is insert queue, and this is display queue. This is deletion queue. Push and display, pop are for the like stack, and then these are for the queue. Now I had used the standard namespace, that is using standard using namespace. Then a structure is created, its name is node, and then in that structure we have given data which is in integers, and then pointer node link, and it will point to a particular address, that is link. And then after this structure loop, then we gave some node like temp, that's a pointer, then decoy pointer, then top equal to null if top equal to null, and node f equal to null and r equal to null. Now we'll jump into the main part, that is main function. Now in main function I have used do and while loop, in which I'll use switch cases so that we can easily shift to stack or queue. Now these are the common part which we'll be using for the switch cases, like do this one, like entering the choice, and then we'll jump to the switch case, that is switch and ch is a choice, that is choice is entered by the user, like I have given here. Press 1 for stack and 2 for queue. If 1, then the switch will go to case 1, that is stack, and if 2, then it will go for the queue. Now we will see what happens in the stack. Int ch1 is an integer type, then cout, it gives the stack as output, then character x equal to y. Then while x is equated to y, the program performs this one, that is cout, press 1 to push, 2 to pop, and 3 to display, which means in stack, after going inside to the stack, then we have all these things: push, pop, and display. The user also should enter uh, 1 or 2 or 3 to perform these actions. Then the choice is taken ch1, and then again there is a switch, and by which ch1, that is the choice given by the user, will be taken, and that case is performed. In this switch again 3 cases are there, that is first one to push, then pop, and then to display. This is the case 1. We have given integer as value as an integer, then enter the item to push, then the item will be taken value, that is c in value, then push a value, and then the break is given for every case, after the every case. Then case 2 is for pop, that is to take out the item. So again the item is taken in integers, and item is equal to pop, then the deleted item will be shown, and then break. Now case 3, case 3 is simply display, so display and break default. If none of the above cases, then the program should show sorry invalid choice, then the user can again continue, that is do you want to continue, the program asks, and the choice is taken and we can continue. This is the first case, that is for this stack, and here it breaks, and next we'll go to case 2. In case 2 we should program it for the queue. So queue has like 3 things: insertion, deletion, and at last it should display. Int choice, that is ch2, we took this as choice, and then it should show me queue, and character ch3 is taken, that equated to while ch3 equal to y, that is while we will use after this loop, the I mean this switch cases, and I'll explain you that one. Then the program should ask me the menu, that is press 1 for insertion, 2 for deletion, 3 for display, and the choice is taken. Then as the user gives the choice, the program will switch to that case, and here the case one is to insert, it is item is given integer type, then cout enter the item to insert, then see in the item is taken and stored, then insert queue of item, uh, the item is inserted into the queue, then break, as you know. Then case 2 for deletion, and the same process, we use here delete queue and then break. And case 3, uh, case 3 is to just display, so the it will display the queue and the display, and if we give this one, it will be displaying. Okay, then default. And at last, if you want to continue again, then we'll give one choice, then it will ask us choice, then if we give that one, then it will again continue the same thing. Yeah, after this, if you want to again continue, then we will go, we'll break this one here, then we will go to, do you want to continue to go to the main menu. If the choice is the same thing, then it will do the same loop again, while loop, then return 0 here. Till here the main function is completed, and now we will differentiate each and every function, that is void push and then void display, then pop, everything. Now I will explain you about void push. Push is given in the stack to push an item, that is insert an item. Here temp new node, a new node is created, which is equated to temp. If temp is equated to null, then it will be stack overflow. If temp is equated to null, then it will be stack overflow, and if not in that case, top will not in this case means top is equal to null, then temp arrow data equal to value, and temp arrow link equal to null, top equal to temp. If else, this is the second case, this is the first case. If both are not valid, then else temp arrow data equal to value and temp arrow link equal to top, and at last top and temp are equated. This is given here, and then after this it happens to push a new element, then to display an element, if top equal to null, anywhere if top equal to null, it should show stack is empty, else the decoy should equated to top, while decoy is not equal to null, then it should be decoy arrow data and decoy equal to decoy arrow link. So everything will be stored in the decoy arrow link, and then pop to take out some element. And this if loop will be the same, like top, if top is equal to null, then it should be empty. And then int item, temp equal to top, top equal to top arrow link, item equal to temp arrow data, then delete temp and return temp will be using this program. Then we'll go to queue. In queue we'll have insertion, deletion and display. Our first one is void insertion, int item, and here the same process as like we have seen above, temp equal to new node, and then if temp equal to null, then it's full as same. Then else if r equal to null, temp arrow data equal to item and temp arrow link equal to null, and this r is equated to temp. If f equal to full, then in this case f equal to temp is equated to temp, else temp arrow data equal to item. Here at last the r and temp should be equated, that is temp arrow link equal to null, r link equal to temp, and at last r equal to temp. By this we will complete our insertion of the queue. Then display queue, if f equal to null, then the queue will be empty and decoy equal to f. While decoy is not equal to null, then the following process will be done, that is decoy equal to decoy arrow link, and By this we'll complete the display, then we'll go to deletion queue. In deletion queue, some element should be deleted from the queue. For that, same, the starting will be f equal to null, then the queue is empty, and else if not this case, then temp is equated to f, then f is equal to f link, f arrow link. So here temp and f arrow link will be equated, then value equal to temp arrow data, the value is stored in temp arrow data, then perform delete temp then and return value. Now the program is completed and we will check the output. Yeah, now it is asking to enter choice. We'll quickly see the stack. To push, yeah, I will push an item 20. Then do you want to continue? Yes. um, I'll pop I'll pop the same thing. Tilted item is 20, so the stack has only one item, that is 20, so it is deleted. Yeah, I'll continue now. Now my stack is working. Now if we display, yeah, the stack is empty. So I inserted 20, then deleted 20, and now I displayed, and it is showing stack is empty, so it's working. Next we'll go to the main menu. Yeah, now we'll check the queue. Press 1 for insertion. Enter item 20. Do you want to continue? Yes. Press 1 for deletion. The item deleted is 20. So the in queue I have entered 20, and now I have deleted 20. Now we will check out what is happening in the display. I'll press 3. Sorry, the queue is empty. Yeah, my program is perfectly working. Yeah, thank you.